I'm going to record a bit more of this process that I originally anticipated to, which is now going to be forging the like some flat bar, 25x6 flat bar, to a bit of a taper, and then shaping it so, because Hosta leaves have a kind of like they're bellied in the stem, they're not just flat. It's definitely not yet. Ready for it. So the next tool we use, fly press tool, is to like press down, not dissimilar to what I've already done, but press lengthways. So get this warm and do it hot to curl. Hopefully that's all visible. Basically to curl the sides of this up, because a Hosta leaf stem isn't just flat or isn't just round. It has this kind of curl to it. So I'm going to curl this side and this side up. So I've got to change tooling now, and the one I'm going to change to is not a million miles off the arrangement there, but bigger and rounder. Moving the position of my phone too, because I think I'll just burn my phone if I left it where it was before. So I reckon I'll pause there, because I've basically run this denting to the point where the taper ends. Maybe I'll run it a smidge further on, but what I'm going to do is take it to the anvil and like close these sides up a bit. So one of the things that I'm conscious of is that I made a sample piece of this the other day, which I was pretty happy with, but I'm just sort of wondering if I can improve it a little bit. And part of the problem, I reckon, with the one that I already made is that I branched these off like a bit of square bar, and I think potentially it would look better if this branched off some round bar. So I think what I'll do is shape this so it can hug like a piece of round bar, which means curving this and then cutting it and sort of welding it, which I won't completely film. But yeah, I just wanted to show this sort of shaping. And then obviously this gets welded to the underside of the leaf, and this gets shaped up a bit. Yeah. I managed to forget to sort of do any videoing of the end product, so this is now just at home. So there's leaf branching off the stem, leaf welded to the stem, and you can see the stem's got that sort of curve, the sort of bellied shape to the stem, and heavy, crumbs, and then yeah, branching off the round bar. So yeah, basically this is just the little sample piece that I made, and it's an improvement on the other one that I made. The other one I made actually had 2 leaves on it, but I'm going to take all the various bits to the client so they can see. But anyway, that's basically the end result.